ZWCAD 2026 has brought the fully upgraded Smart Plot feature. Let's take a look at its enhancements. Its UI has been optimized, with a simpler and more intuitive dialog box. It supports batch plotting and frame matching across documents. Whether it's an extended or a non-standard frame, Smart Plot can automatically match the most suitable paper size. It can also generate standard layouts with one click based on the identified frames and automatically apply plot scales and page setups. Plus, we've added the split drawing feature for large and complex underlays. This feature can automatically crop graphics beyond the frame to avoid manual adjustment. Drawings can be automatically named based on the specified information within frames, and their names can be updated synchronically. The frame library feature has been optimized too. It has more preset settings for common frames, avoiding the need to set up each time. Download ZWCAD 2026 now and have a try.